This is our road, folks. I'm walking through the hillside here, the mountain, so I can meet Michelle and get some necessities, water, and cigarettes, things like that. This is the bad part about living in a remote place. This road was started 6 years ago, maybe longer, and this is what it turned out to be. Useless. A waste of resources. I'm just about up to where I can pan over and show you the lake. And it's completely over our little park, and our campground is about 30 to 40 feet underwater. And from what I've been told, it will be 2 or 3 weeks, most likely, before the water recedes off of our road to where we can actually drive. And here's the lake, folks. There's a shower house. Playground, boat dock, everything is completely submerged. I'm hoping my wife hasn't already came and gone. You have to be able to adjust to live this way if you want to live in a more secluded and peaceful place. I still think it's a small price to pay. To the best of my recollection, the water hadn't been this high, I'm pretty sure, since 1984. I was, I think, 8 years old when it was this high before. And I'm now in my 40s. It got me out of school back then, so I loved it. But now, not so much. I have to watch out for coyotes and bears and bobcats. This is just all part of living in the mountains. But I wouldn't have it any other way. All you can hear right now are birds singing. No traffic, sirens, nothing. It's completely peaceful. Beautiful place, absolutely beautiful. As you can see, across the mountain from where I'm at, if I can get up here to where you can see it, are some of our neighbors. don't know if you can see those houses or not. I'll try to get a better view here. It's a beautiful day too, folks. Perfect day to be out exploring. It's a little longer hike than what I remember when I was a small boy. I personally have never ever seen this water this high. Best I can remember when I was 8 or 9 years old and we had that flood. It never crossed the neighbor's driveway on the other side of the mountain, but as you can see, it is completely across. And it's not much farther from the main highway. It doesn't like much being over that. So I would never live anywhere else. And here is a giant slip. So not even a four-wheeler could pass this road. You would think with all the county and state funds that this could have been fixed when it was started. This was worked on for 1 week and then left. I have to watch for snakes out here too, because this warmer weather will bring them out to enjoy the sun. Beautiful, beautiful place. I'm really hoping I haven't missed my wife. My nephews left a wheelbarrow laying out here. They came through the road here and cleared out a lot of the briars and small saplings. Oh, I'm starting to get winded, folks. I'm almost out to the main highway. As you can see, down below is the highway. I personally have never seen it this high. Sure haven't. I don't remember it being this high when I was 8, 9 years old. But my family said it actually went across the road, the highway back here. But it is what it is. Look what beautiful trees. Giant white oak trees. I hear a vehicle passing by right now on the road. This place here is in real good condition. If they would only fix the part that I just came through, it may be passable in a four-wheel drive truck or something like that. Well, folks, I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and hopefully my wife's going to be waiting on the other end down here for me.